So when you're flying from Amsterdam to Ghana on KLM, this is the first meal. I'm not sure what that is though. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat that. Tacos, okay. Piece of bread. Chicken spicy bell pepper sauce. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Here on KLM. Oh wow, that looks amazing. So right now it is 4 o'clock. This flight is supposed to leave at, let me see. The gate closes at 2:40, so the plane left around 3 o'clock. It's now 4:10. So this is the KLM flight. Meal number 1, going to Ghana.